So you want to make money from HostGator's affiliate program. What's up, everybody? My name is Ryan from RyanBond.com, and you're here in this video because you want to know how to make money from HostGator's affiliate program. And before I get started, I want you guys to go ahead and go to the right side of this video and go look for that bell and go hit that bell really quick and let me know so you can get notified, right, whenever I go live or whenever I download a new video. And also, since you're there and you're at that area, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you know I'm going to be uploading videos and every day, so I can help where I can show you how you can make money from home. And today's video, I'm going to be doing exactly that. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use HostGator's affiliate program and how you can promote it and how you can make money every single month from it. All right. So really quick, you know, you probably thought, you know, well, since they have an affiliate program, you know, and they're offering affiliate money, why not get into the action, right? I mean, hey, I wanted an action too. You know, wherever HostGator's doing, whatever affiliate program they're using, I want to get into that action too. So, but you have a problem, right? The problem is that you don't know, or maybe you're not sure how you can promote their affiliate offer, how you can promote, you know, HostGator throughout, you know, social media or even through your, you know, online or offline, right? And that's why I'm here to help you, right? Because I was in the same situation as you were a few months ago, all right? And before I get started into the next thing, I'm gonna share my screen really quick, and I'm gonna show you guys, you know what I'm talking about here. So let's go. And I hope I am sharing it. Let's see. I am sharing. All right. So this is HostGator's website, right? And if you go into HostGator, right, and if you in HostGator, and if you look over here, you see affiliates, right? And if you don't have an account with HostGator, you don't have to have an account with HostGator to sign up as an affiliate, believe it or not, and it's really great. But if you do have HostGator already and you want to sign up as an affiliate and you're not signed up as an affiliate already, you know, you can go ahead here and log in and they'll give you your affiliate information, okay? So real quick, you know, like I said, you click on the affiliates button and it's going to take you to this next screen where, you know, it tells you it's going to be actually this screen and you're going to go here and sign up for free, right? Now, once you hit up sign up for free, it's going to take you through a process where, you know, you put all your information in the language account, you know, and it's going to give you, you know, certain questions, like almost like a questionnaire kind of thing, but just fill out the information here, right? And, you know, fill out address, basic demographics, and you're going to hit continue. Now, when you hit continue, it's going to ask you for more information as far as, you know, tax purposes and everything like that. You know, I'm sure you guys done this before. If you're familiar with how the affiliates fill out their W-9s and tax and all that stuff, same process. Okay, guys. So it's not that bad. It's not that, you know, crazy. It's real simple. And once you guys fill that out, they're going to email you and they're going to go over your application to become an affiliate with them. And once you get accepted as an affiliate, they're going to email you again, and they're going to email you your login information, and they're also going to give you your affiliate link or your affiliate name. Okay. Now, they're also going to offer you ways to promote HostGator as an affiliate, but you know, I like to do it a little differently. I like to be a little bit different. And well, really quick, let me go through their actual program, right? So if you get 1 to 5 signups per month, you know, they're gonna give you $50 per signup, right? So that's about $250, right? 6 to 10, you know, signups per month, you know, they're gonna give you $75 per signup, you know, and that's up to $750, okay? 11 to 20, that's, you know, up to, you know, $1,100 to $2,000, okay? Now 21 and up, hey. You know what I mean? That's $2,625. All right. So this is the way they want you to promote it, or this is how you can promote it. With this, you know, somebody clicks through your link, you know, they get into HostGator. Once they fill out the information on HostGator, you know, they get signed up, and then boom, you get a monthly payout, right? And you just go through the cycle all over again, right? But you know what? One way that you can promote it, and the way I like to promote it, or one of the other ways that I like to promote it is through blogging, because I blog. I have a blog. You know, why not promote it through blogging? And WordPress is one of the popular platforms that I use for blogging. And you know what? And you know, it's free. You can just hit download it, and they have many different themes and plugins that you can use. You know what? And you know what? And this is like one of the best ones that I like using. All right. So you're probably wondering, well, how could I use, you know, HostGator? How could I promote HostGator on a blog? Well, lo and behold, Easiest way to install WordPress in the HostGator. Now that's a blog. That's a value-driven blog right there, right? This is a step-by-step way in how to install WordPress and HostGator together, right? How to put them together, right? So like I said here, step-by-step, install WordPress and HostGator quickly and with quick install, right? Log into your host, launch WordPress. Gives you even pictures, which is great blog. This is not my blog, by the way, guys. I just really like the way this guy set it. This person set it up, or the way they have it set up, and fill out WordPress configuration. It tells you everything here, word for word. Right now, this is one way that they're promoting their affiliate link. Here, they have a banner, right? They have a banner for HostGator that shows get 20% off now, and see how it's clickable, right? If I click this, it's going to go to HostGator, right? And it's going to go to their affiliate link because it's affiliated to them. Right, and it's gonna take you straight to them. If you keep reading here, hit the install button, all details. You can also find WordPress installation details. You can go here and go visit the host, which is probably gonna go to their affiliate program. Their affiliate with WordPress, right? So now, like I said, it's very, very detailed, very value driven. Now for you guys, hey. One other way. That's another way. That's one way you can promote a HostGator. Another way is, as far as blogging, because you don't have really specifically have to do this. You can have another way, not another way, but another title or another form of blog that you can use. You can blog basically just what is HostGator. You can blog about what HostGator is. Not many everybody knows what HostGator is. People Google what is HostGator, and they're going to come into a blog, and you could be the one that they could explain to that person. Or you could go and blog about, how to set up a domain or set up a subdomain, or even, how to set up web hosting, something like that. You could blog about, how to sign up as an affiliate with HostGator. Instead of doing a video like I'm doing, you could actually blog about it. You know what I'm saying? So it's another way that you can actually promote HostGator. All right. Another way is you can actually go and create a YouTube video or create a video and put it in your blog that you just created, right, for HostGator, which is probably what I'm going to do right now after this video. But that's just, like I said, it's another way you can do it. Videos right now is the best way to go with social media. It's really on the come up. People like seeing videos. People like seeing tutorials. People like seeing a lot of informational stuff, and even the how-tos. That's one of the best way to bring out value into the community and give value back into the people who want to know, like the do it yourself videos. People should do a lot of do it yourself videos, and people get so much value from it that they start following people and they start making money through their affiliate links, right? And those people, they can make so much money just through affiliate links, right? And now I also talked about going offline with this, right? So the reason why I mentioned going offline with this, because it's real easy to do. It just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of effort to do. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on Google, right? And you're going to search for certain mom and pop shops or certain independent shops or businesses that are out there. For instance, a dentist, a pharmacy, nail salon, a barber shop, something like that, where they, because at this day and age, there are a lot of people that want to go online and build a website, but they just don't know how to do it, or they don't know who to trust to do it. And what better person than you, somebody who's in the neighborhood that they have their business in, to do it for them. So what you can do on Google is, for instance, if you want to Google a pharmacy, the name of a pharmacy, type in pharmacies near whatever zip code you're in, all right? And type that in, and it's going to pull up a directory of people or pharmacies or whatever that's in your neighborhood within whatever radius you want to choose. Right now, what you can do is you can either call them up, or you can go and introduce and build a relationship with them and tell them, hey, you know what? I live in the neighborhood. Are you interested in promoting your business online? Are you interested in building a website? Because I can do that for you. Right? And you can give them what you offer. You can offer them what your services are. You could, build a website. You can, take care of the content that's going there every month, and you can do monthly maintenance on them every month. So that's three things that you can do for them. And guess what affiliate links you're going to be using? Your HostGator, whatever domain user you're using. Those are some things that you can use. And then now they're also going to pay you monthly income every month just to maintain the website for them. Now that's 3 forms of income from one business. So imagine getting 10 businesses around your neighborhood. You could be making, a couple $1,000s every single month, right? That's 3 streams of income from one business. Now multiply that by 10. I don't know about you. That's a lot of money. I know what I could do with that money. I could probably pay off a car, pay off a mortgage, pay a mortgage, pay rent, I don't know, pay off groceries. But there's so much things that you can do with the money. If you think about it, there's so much money to be made out there. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, that's just, like I said, that's just one way that, you can promote, HostGator, right? I'm going to stop my screen really quick, share really quick. I'm going to just talk to you guys really quick, like through here, right? So like I said, that's just another way that you can promote HostGator, offline and online, you know what I'm saying? And, if you got, and if you really think about how you can promote your affiliate links online and offline, it's not that difficult, it really isn't that difficult to promote these things, right? So, that's a few ways that you can promote. Go ahead and promote the HostGator. I kind of bounce around a little bit. You can make some affiliate money every single month from them, and you know what? If you got value from this, guys, you know what? I want you guys to go ahead, like I said, go ahead to the bottom right of this video. Go ahead and hit that bell real quick. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, get notified. Get notified when I go live. Get notified when I go live. Just got some bars in there, right? So go get notified when I go live, or upload a new video. Like I said, I'm going to start uploading more videos where I'm going to show people more and more, how to make money from home. And you know what? If you want to know, my number 1 recommended source to making money from home, you know what? I'm going to drop that in the link. Actually, you know what? I got one better for you. How about I just show you guys? I got one better for you. There we go. Boom. My number 1 recommended source to making money from home. RyanBond.com/simple-4 steps. All right, guys. And I want you guys to go have fun. Enjoy. You know what? If you have any questions, hey, drop it in the comment section below. And if you have any, I would love to hear what you guys have to say. I'll respond to you guys, and you know what? Have a good one. All right, guys. Talk to you guys later.